Hi guys, you're welcome to another video on how to easily scalp XAUUSD gold uh, on the lower time frames. Lower time frames, I mean on the 5 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame, and then 15 minutes time frame. Okay, but before you scalp XAUUSD, you consider the news economy. You go to the economic calendar on any of the website that displays economic calendar, and then you check whether there's going to be a volatile or a high impact news before you try to scalp gold, because the news can actually move price in a very fast manner that can throw your account into a drawdown. So let's quickly run through what's happening on the screen. I have gold on the daily time frame. This is a higher time frame, and as you can see, the trend is bullish. What do I mean by the trend is bullish? We have the price of gold forming a high around here. A high around here. Okay, and then break of structure. What do I mean by break of structure? At this high point, price broke the high around this particular high point around here. Then this zone, okay, price rose up and then came back almost towards the zone and then had a lift, and then price formed a high around here. We have a low around here, then another break of structure on the daily time frame, another break of structure which happened exactly at this particular point. Okay, and now price tried to get to that point after rising to this high, and we are still on a daily time frame, so we can drill down to a 4-hour time frame to see what's exactly happening on the 4-hour time frame. For the 4-hour time frame, we have a high here, okay, and then a break of structure, meaning break of structure to the upper side, meaning price broke the existing high. This particular high was broken around here, and price rose to this point, but we have a fake out, meaning price rose to this point and didn't continue up until it dropped below the break of structure point. Okay, that's the 4-hour, and what we can see is more like a downward ranging price movement. Okay, now if we draw a trend line on this pattern that we have around here, we have something like this, okay, on the 4-hour time frame. And then if we also draw another trend line, we have something like this, okay, more like a triangle. Okay, so we expect price to somehow range within this triangle and then possibly break lower or break higher. Now let's go to the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, we have something like this. Of course, we have a range, like a range that is tapering into a triangle. So if I'm going to check the highs, I have a high around here, which was broken at this point. The high was broken. The high point was broken at this point, but more like a test, then it retraced. Okay, so more like this particular high tested this initial high, and then the sellers came, the bears came in and pushed price downward. We have a low around this point. We have a low around this point, which was not tested. Price didn't get to the low, and then we have a higher low at this point. Okay, we have a higher low at this point, and then what do we have? We have a high point at this point. Still on the 1-hour time frame, we have a high point at this point. Okay, and then we have a lower high. So drilling down to 30 minutes time frame, we can draw trend lines to see what's happening. Okay, price, let's assume price got to this point and attempted to bounce on the 30 minutes time frame, can draw another trend line around here. Okay, price got to this point, and the seller stepped in and pushed price downward at this particular point. So let's take it to 15 minutes time frame. So from the 15 minutes time frame, we can see a double top. Okay, but this double top is a trickish one, in the sense that this is the high point. Okay, and this particular top didn't get to the area of this high point, so it's a trickish double top. Price might go down, it might not, so we'll continue to monitor. But we have a break of the neckline. We have the break of the neckline, and this is the neckline. Okay, and it was broken. Okay, and as we are looking at the chart, price is trying to test the neckline, and then we expect price to continue its way downward. Look at the candle here. Price got to this low around this point, got to that low around this point, and we expect this particular candle to get to that point, but the candle was only able to get to this particular point. So this particular zone is a zone of inefficiency. Okay, market, the bulls were unable to push price to this particular zone, so we expect price to go down at some point, then come back to this area of inefficiency, then try to go down. Okay, so for now, price is descending. So if you want to scalp, look for opportunities to sell to an extent, then expect price to come to this area and then go further down south. Let's look at the 5 minutes time frame. Let me remove this. Let's look at what's happening on the 5 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, we can see price trying to form a double top or a triple bottom. Okay, but in the process of forming a triple bottom, if price breaks below this particular level, okay, then if price goes further down, then it's over for the bulls for now. Expect price to continue to go down. But if the bulls are able to manage and hold around, if the buyers are able to manage and hold around this point and send price back upward, and if this particular neckline that might be possibly formed is broken, the price breaks this neckline upward, then we might have a reversal back to this resistance trend line, this descending trend line around here. So that's that. For if you want to scalp, look for sell. If you place a sell trade, you can scalp 10 pips or 20 pips up to this particular red line here, 1987. And if it gets there and price holds and returns upward and breaks the neckline around 1990, then we can expect price to reverse back, and then we expect the triangular movement to continue. All right, looking at the 5 minutes, we have this long candle telling us that the bears or the sellers are active. They are more active than the buyers. You can see the green candles are much smaller and then shorter in length. The number of the green candles are far less than the number of the red candles, and the red candles even have this big red candle, institutional candle, okay, showing the bear force. Okay, let's look at the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, we can see what price is doing. Okay, like a waterfall here, but the buyers stepped in and they got stuck around this point. Okay, so this point is going to be our resistance on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, this point will going to be our resistance on the 1 minute time frame. So if the buyers are able to push above this level, then we can believe, or we can think or say that the range will continue. But if the buyers fails to sustain price at this level, then it's over for now. Price will continue to go south. So for now, look for selling opportunities. So that's that about the video. Smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, go ahead, drop comment, share the video Also smash the bell button above the video if you want to see the next video on time. Okay, you can go to our website www.binfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade gold. You can go to another website of ours, fxfavors.com, to learn more on how to trade gold. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.